In this video, I'm going to introduce the concept of variables in your flows. Anytime in TextIt you see the @ sign followed by a word, it typically means we are referring to a variable. Let's see how we can use this to respond to a message in a bit more personal way, and also use the results from our wait for responses to update our contacts. I'm back in my patient survey flow from the health clinic, where we have first asked our patients if they want to participate, and then we've asked them how old they are. Once the patient responds with a valid age, I'm going to go ahead and add an action. I'm going to update the contact. What do I want to update? I would like to update the age of the contact. Okay, where is it going to get the age from? At results.patient age, which are the results we've just collected in the previous wait for response. I'll click OK. All right, so we've already used our first variable to update the patient's age. We can see here the @ sign. It was at results.patient age. That is our first variable. Let's go ahead now and respond to the contact with a message. I have your age saved as, now we can refer to that result again, or we can now refer to the contact field because we have updated it with our results. So I'm going to do at fields, and it pops up right away, .age. Okay, this is another variable. We're referring to the age field. Now I'm going to ask the contact to share their name with me. Since we're collecting a name, I'm going to leave the rule blank. I'm going to name the result patient name. I'll click OK. I'll add another action to update the contact once again. I'm going to update the contact's name. I'm going to use the variable at results dot, I've just saved it, patient name. Okay, there again, we've got the @ sign, and the variable is coming from the results. We can send a goodbye message to the contact and make it personal using their first name now that we have their name saved. Okay, I'll write thanks at contact, make it more personal. Scroll down, first name. Okay. You'll be in touch again. Okay, let's check out what this looks like on our flow simulator. How old are we? 19. You can see here in the background that the result for that wait for response was sent to 19, but we also set the contact's age to 19. Look here in our message, I have your age saved as 19. Okay, it worked. Can we share our name? Our name is, once again, we can see in the background, the result was sent to Harry Potter, and the contact's name was also sent to Harry Potter. In our goodbye message, look here, thanks Harry, we'll be in touch again. Okay, so we were able to use the contact's first name because we saved the contact's name to the field, and then we referenced the name field. This was a super simple introduction on how to use variables in your flow, but check out more on contact and flow variables in our extensive collection of help docs, or feel free to reach out on the chat widget on our website if you need help with any specific variables.